National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Angelina County in eastern Texas, northwestern Nacogdoches County in eastern Texas, east central Cherokee County in northeastern Texas, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Nacogdoches, moving west at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Nacogdoches, Douglas, Pollock, Appleby, Central, and Lilbert. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Angelina, Cherokee, and Nacogdoches.